Our next topic is remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. If the polynomial p of x is divided by x plus a, if the polynomial p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a. Then the remainder is p of minus a, where a is a real number. Where a is a real number means it is same as the value of the polynomial p of x for x equal to minus a. Students, listen carefully. If the polynomial p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a. Take opposite of this a. If it is x plus 2, take opposite of 2, that is minus 2. If it is x plus 3, take opposite of 3, that is minus 3. So x plus a. So if the polynomial p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a. Then the remainder is p of minus a, where a is a real number means it is same as the value of the polynomial p of x for x equal to minus a, for x equal to minus a. And this is known as the remainder theorem. This is known as the remainder theorem. We will see one example. Divide p of x equal to 4x square minus x plus 2 by x plus 1. Divide p of x equal to 4x square minus x plus 2 by x plus 1. Note that here x plus a is x plus 1. Here x plus a is x plus 1. In the dividend polynomial 4x square minus x plus 2, put x equal to minus 1. Here divisor is x plus 1, take opposite of plus 1, that is minus 1. So in the dividend polynomial, this is your dividend polynomial. In the dividend polynomial 4x square minus x plus 2, put x equal to minus 1, put x equal to minus 1. So p of x equal to 4x square minus x plus 2. So put x equal to minus 1. So p of x means therefore p of minus 1 equal to 4x square means 4 into minus 1 square. Then minus and x is minus 1. So substitute here minus 1 plus 2 plus 2. So p of minus 1 equal to 4 into minus 1 square minus of minus 1 plus 2. Now square of negative number is positive. So 4 into 1, 4 into 1, minus minus plus 1. So write here 1 plus 2 plus 2. So 4 into 1 plus 1 plus 2. Now 4 ones are 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 7 equal to 7. So p of minus 1 is equal to 7. P of minus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, value of the polynomial p of x for x equal to minus 1. Therefore, value of the polynomial p of x for x equal to minus 1 is 7. And this p of minus 1 is your remainder. So, remainder of this polynomial is 7. Remainder of this polynomial is 7. And this method is called remainder theorem. Next is factor theorem. Factor theorem. If 21 is divided by 7, then remainder is 0. If 21 is divided by 7, then remainder is 0. Therefore, we say that 7 is a factor of 21. Here remainder is 0. If 21 is divided by 7, then remainder is 0. Therefore, we say that 7 is a factor of 21. 7 is a factor of 21. In the same way, when a given polynomial is divided by the divisor polynomial, when a given polynomial is divided by the divisor polynomial, and if the remainder is 0, then we say that divisor polynomial is the factor of the dividend polynomial. Understood, students? If 21 is divided by 7, then remainder is 0. Therefore, we say that 7 is a factor of 21. 7 is a factor of 21. In the same way, when a given polynomial is divided by the divisor polynomial, and if the remainder is 0, then we say that divisor polynomial is the factor of the dividend polynomial. Now we will see one example. Again, in general, p of x is a polynomial and a is any real number. P of x is a polynomial and a is any real number. And if p of a equal to 0, then x minus a is the factor of p of x. And if p of a equal to 0, then x minus a is the factor of p of x. Conversely, if x minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. Then p of a is equal to 0. Now we will see one example. If p of x equal to x cube plus 4x minus 5 is divided by x minus 1. This is your dividend polynomial and this is your divisor polynomial. So if p of x equal to x cube plus 4x minus 5 is divided by x minus 1, then find the remainder and hence determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of p of x or not, and hence determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of p of x or not. Solution: p of x equal to x cube plus 4x minus 5. It is your dividend polynomial. P of x equal to x cube plus 4x minus 5. And what is your divisor? Divisor is x minus 1. So take opposite of minus 1. Opposite of minus 1 is plus 1. So p of x equal to x cube plus 4x minus 5. So p of 1, substitute here x equal to 1. So p of 1 equal to 1 cube plus 4 into 1 minus 5. X cube means 1 cube plus 4x means 4 into 1 minus 5. So 1 cube is 1 plus 4 into 1 is 4 minus 5. So 1 plus 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So p of 1 is equal to 0. P of 1 equal to 0. As per the remainder theorem, remainder is equal to 0. This is your remainder. P of 1 equal to 0. P of 1 is your remainder and remainder is 0. So as per the remainder theorem, remainder is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Therefore, x minus 1 is your divisor. Therefore, here remainder is 0. Therefore, this divisor x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Understood?